Hello guys, welcome to another week of English classes. I hope that you are okay, that you are fine, that you're with your family at home and everything is good. So I'm very happy to be here with you guys. I want to say hello to Diana, Amelie, Ricardo, Vanessa, Maria, Alexandra, Naomi. Hello Luisa, hello Camila, hello Ire, Jaciel, Mesli, Emiliano, Alexa, Samantha, Jorge, and Luca. I'm so happy for you guys to be here. So we're gonna start the class, all right? So what do you need? First, you need one paper of your notebook and one pen, pencil, or color. You got it? Let's start. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write the date on your paper. Then you're going to put your name in here. I don't know, for example, who can Vanessa. Vanessa and your last name, okay? And then you're gonna put the title of the activity. The activity is called Guess the Sound. Okay, this is the title, the date, the name, and the title. And you guys are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? I'm gonna give you 20 seconds. Go. Excellent. So now I'm going to explain you the instructions. So you have your paper, you have the title, your name, the date, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm gonna put you a sound, okay, and an audio. You're gonna listen to the audio and you're gonna guess what it is. For example, if you listen to moo, what is it? It's an animal. What animal? It's a cow, you know? If you listen to meow, meow, what is it? It's a cat. So for example, the number 1, moo. Okay. Number 1, cow. Number 2, cat. So we're gonna do that with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Depending on the sound, you are going to write the word, okay? So ready for the audio? Pay attention, guys. Okay, the sound number 1 is what did you hear? One more time. Very good. Number 2, listen. Did you hear? What is it? One more time. Excellent. Now let's go to the number 3. Okay, what do you hear? Write it down in your book. Okay, the next one. Ready? What did you hear? This is the last sound. Ready? It's an animal. What did you hear? Very good. So, as you listen to the sounds, write it on your notebook and then take a picture and put it on Facebook. So now let's continue with the activity. Excellent, guys. Very good with the activity Guess the Sound. So now we're going to move on and we're going to review the topic of the last week. Remember that I told you that we have different verbs, that we have regular and we have irregular. So we need to identify and we need to memorize those verbs because it's going to be very useful in the future. So I sent a list of verbs to your father or mother, and those verbs, we're gonna work on those verbs and we're gonna memorize and learn, and at the end we're gonna have like a mini quiz or mini test or activity about that. So study the verbs is super important. So now let's continue with the next video about the present, past, and past participle of some verbs. Excellent. So in the red column is red, in the middle is green, and in here is blue. So in here we have present, past participle. So we have the first verb, break. What is break? Teacher, I don't remember. What is break? What is break? Okay. Do you see this paper? Break it. Break. This is breaking something. I break paper in the present. But how is in the past? I broke the paper. Okay? And how is in the past participle? I don't know. The paper is broken by me. That is the past participle. So let's continue with the rest. The verb number 2 is bring. Okay, what is bring? For example, on Christmas, your family, maybe your uncle is going to bring the beer, and maybe your mother is going to bring the apples. So everyone is going to bring something. Traer, bring something. So in the present is bring, in the past is brought, and in the past participle is brought. Okay, this is the same. It's super easy because these verbs have the same ending in the past and past participle. The only difference is break, broke, broken, and the rest is the same. So it's super easy, guys. Excellent. Let's continue with the number 3, build. For example, in Minecraft, you have to build something, you know, with all the materials. You are building something like a house. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, the walls, the door. You are building something. That is build. And in the past is built with the T, built. And in the past participle is the same, built. Okay? And the last verb, but not least, is buy. For example, I am going to buy a new cell phone. I am going to buy a new car in the future, of course. So buy is in the present and how is in the past. Okay, so buy, bought, bought. Example, yesterday I bought chips. Yesterday I bought milk, you know? So that is the difference. And how can we do it in past participle? Okay, the milk is bought by me. You know, that is the difference. So we have the present, the past, and past participle, and you need to memorize and study them. Ready? So now we're going to review the passive voice in the present tense for you to remember, and then we're gonna do a very simple activity. Ready? Let's go. Excellent, guys. So right now we're going to review the passive voice, okay? So the passive voice is super simple, guys. You only need the verb be, the verb to be, that is, are, plus past participle. In the present is or are. In the past is, was, were. But we are not going to work on the past today. We are going to work in the present. So past participle and is, are. Remember, singular and plural. Okay? Example, we have break in Mexico. How can we make a sentence using break and using Mexico? First, what is the past participle of break? Broke or broken? Break, broke, broken. So, okay, first you have the past participle. Excellent, so we can continue. Now, I am going to put one word, car. Car. Car is singular or car is plural? Yes, of course. Car is singular. Car. We're gonna put the car, okay? The car is the past participle broken in Mexico. And that's it. You have the passive voice. The car is broken in Mexico. Excellent, guys. Now, the example number 2 that I'm going to show you is number 1 and number 2. So we have the verb build right here. Remember, Minecraft, build, and Spain. Okay, so with build and Spain, we're going to create a sentence. So what is the past participle of build? Remember? My house. My house is or are. My house are or my house is. My house is. Guys, it's very important for you to remember this one. You are forgetting to put it, so don't forget to put is. It's very important. My house is, what is the past participle? Built. My house is built in where? Spain. And that's it. That's how you form the passive voice. So excellent, guys. So right now, when the video is over, you're gonna go to the Facebook page and I'm gonna put you a paper, a worksheet, okay? The paper is going to be like this. Excellent, guys. So right now, this part is going to be a reading, okay? It's gonna be a story, and you're gonna have a lot of words in here, like a story, and then 1, 2, 3. 3 questions and the story. What you have to do in the story is that you have to circle all the verbs in the past and past participle. You're going to circle all the verbs in past and past participle. In here, example, the house is built in Miami. Built, circle. The car is broken by me. Broken. Here, 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 here. You're going to circle the past and the past participle of the verbs, and you're gonna read the story. And after, you're going to answer the questions. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So that is activity for right now. And after that, we're going to continue with the video number 2. Go, guys.